Video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your wireless microphone to your Windows laptop. And the laptop that I'm using is Lenovo ThinkPad, and the wireless microphone I'm using is Holyland microphone. So I have the receiver here, and I also have the two separate microphones. These are two separate wireless microphones you can use. Yeah, so let's get into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this receiver, and then I'm going to connect it to the laptop. If you can see there, it is showing that it is connected to the laptop, and you can see even the light is on. Two blue lights are showing here. So now let me get the microphone, and then I'm going to switch it on. So immediately I switch on the laptop, the microphone, sorry, you can even see that the lights here are changed. We have the green light and the blue light, meaning the microphone is now connected to the receiver there and to the laptop, as you can see. So if we just want to ensure that this is done, or what we've connected is working, we are going to go to the microphone here, and we are going to right click on it, and then we are going to go on sound system. When we go on sound system, we are going to go in the settings. We are going to go on system. When we go on system, we are going to click on sounds. When we go on sound here, we're going to go down, and just right here you can see that wireless microphone is a default device here. It is the one that is selected. And for us to be sure that this mic is working, let me try to use the mic. Right click here on the when we go on sound system, we are going to click on sound. When we click on sound, you go on sound, and then you just go down here to go and see your mic. So you can even see that your mic is connected already. It is showing default device. If it's not connected, you can quickly click on it and add it to the device. You can just click here, and then you've added it. So for us to check if it is working, I'm going to speak in the mic. I'm speaking in the mic right now, and you can see here it is showing that the mic is working because I'm talking and it is moving here. That is how you can see that the mic is working. And then in the last video I shared on how to add the wireless microphone, this same mic, to the MacBook. We used the USB, but on this one I've tried about 3 types of two-way USB cables. So I don't know about other laptops, but on this Lenovo ThinkPad, and I also tried on another laptop, it didn't work. So I don't know, maybe other laptops it works, and on the MacBook it works when you are using the USB cable, but on this one it didn't work. So this is how you can add your Holyland or your wireless microphone to any Windows laptop. If this video helped you, please leave a like, remember to subscribe, and also you can leave us a comment.